So there's a couple of different ways that we can manage software on Ubuntu server. We can use Debian packages using apt or snap packages. Now, we're going to talk about doing Debian packages first. We're going to do snap in another video. So a software developer will work on a piece of software and then they will put it into a package to be distributed to Debian-based systems, of which Ubuntu is one of them, using a tool called apt. And that's the extension of the file. It's apt. So the command to do this, to use this, is actually apt. So we have apt and then whatever we want to do. So we're going to play around with a package called nmap in the next couple of videos, just because it's going to be something fast and easy to install and update. So I want to do an apt search for nmap. So what I'm doing is I'm looking for a package from in one of my repositories, one of my online software repositories, named nmap. And when I do this search, I'm probably going to need to pipe that through more. This is going to give me a bunch of different packages, and so you'll see them right here. And then it'll tell me a little bit about them. So as I come down, I'm going to find, and it's looking for anything with nmap in it. So right here, nmap is the network mapper. That's the software that I want. And so we can see the package name is that first thing before that slash. So that's going to be nmap, and then nmap common and a bunch of other stuff. Okay, so now I've found what I want, and it's going to be nmap. So my command is, let's do a more info on that just to make sure that's what I want. So I'm going to do apt show nmap, and that'll give me detailed information about nmap. So origin, it's from Ubuntu. Here's the maintainer, who maintains it, the bugs, the installed size, what it depends on, what software it suggests, the home page for it, and then a description for it. And then this is the source. It's usarchive.ubuntu.com / you see it all there. So this tells me all about the software package. So I use search to try to find it, show to show that it's the package that I actually want. And then I'm going to use sudo apt install nmap, and that's going to install the application for me. Yes, I want to go ahead and install it. And so it downloads and installs nmap for me, which is great. Now my software is available, and I can confirm that it's there, and I can see which one it is by typing the command which nmap. And we'll see this is in the user bin nmap folder, so I could then navigate to user bin, and I could look at my nmap software, and I could run nmap and do all the stuff that I wanted to do with nmap. Now, so I used search to try to find the package that I wanted, show to show the details of it and make sure that it's what I wanted, install to install it, and all of those were apt commands: apt search, apt show, apt install. Which nmap shows me that it is installed, and then if I want to remove something, it's sudo apt remove nmap, and so that's going to take it out for me. Yes, I want to go ahead and remove it. We see the progress. And now if I do which nmap, okay, nmap has been removed from my system. So using apt packages makes it really fast and easy to find and install software. Let me rephrase that. It makes it really easy to install software. Finding the software can sometimes be a little bit of a challenge. Now, apt is specific for Debian-based distributions. So Debian, Ubuntu, anything that's based on them will use apt. There is another way to manage software, and that's with snap or flatpak. We're going to talk about using snap in our next video.